This website has been created by Canva. In today's video, we will see how we can create a multi-page Canva website. First of all, open Canva and then click on Create a Design. After that, go to the search bar and type website. And then click on Website. This is a blank page, but on the left side, there are a lot of options or templates to create a website. If you scroll down, you'll see many options. I will select this one because it looks like a good website. Click on it, and there are 6 pages for this website. Click on the first page, and that page will be added in the blank space. You can add another page by clicking on Add a New Page. And 2 buttons will be added. If you want to add all the pages together, then click on Apply all 6 pages. After that, click on Replace all pages. And now you can see all the pages of this website have been inserted in a blank file, and it is looking good. But on the first page, we need a menu because we are creating a website. We need buttons for Home, Blogs, and Contact Me. For this, click on Elements and select a shape. Or just a shape on the top. To change the color of this, click on Color. And then change the color. I think this one will look better. After that, you can see the logo for the website is below that element. Right-click on that element. Then click on Layers. And then click on Send Upward. And now you can see our logo has been enabled. Let's resize it. After that, we will publish the website. Click on Publish Website. Now you can see our website will be automatically resized according to mobile and laptop screens. We will use it without navigation because we will create a navigation bar later. Then click on Continue. The first option doesn't need because this is a main page. You can add the page description here, then click on Advanced Settings. 3 options are available. The first one is password protection, it should be disabled, then search engine visibility, enabled, and link preview, enabled. Click on Publish. It will start publishing. Once it's done, this is our website which we have created before 2 to 3 minutes. If we scroll down, now you can see all the pages are working fine. After that, you can see there is a button for Home, Blogs, and Contact Me is missing. Go back to the website, close this window. Then click on Edit Design. For adding the buttons, click on Text. Then click on Add a subheading. Drag it to the navigation bar. And write Blogs. After that, resize it. Once it's done, create a copy of this and write "Contact me" here. Resize it to this position. To enable the working of these buttons, we should create a second website. Open Canva, then click on Website. A new website will start to create. Then we will choose its template again and only keep the first page. Remove all the text and also the logo. Click on Text and add something on the blog page. Click on Publish Website. Choose Without Navigation, then click on Continue. Now, in the blog page, and everything is perfect. Then click on Publish. It will start publishing. Once it's done, now you can see the URL of this website. Copy that one. Go back to the previous website, right-click on Blog. Click on Link. And paste the link here. After that, click on Done. It will work properly. After that, click on Publish. Then click on Continue. And then click on Publish. It will start publishing. Once it's done, we will see the final result. After that, click on View Website. Like that, you can add a lot of pages and a lot of buttons in your navigation bar. I am giving you just a rough idea, and then you will be able to create a website in Canva. And now you can see our website is looking good. Click on Blogs, and another page will open automatically. Now you can see everything is working perfectly, but there is no navigation bar on this page. We should add it. For this, go to the main page of the website, close that menu, then click on Edit Design. After that, click and hold the Shift button and select all the buttons. Right-click and then click on Copy. Go to the second page of this website. Close that one. Then click on Edit Design. Right-click, and then click on Paste. The navigation bar will be added to the second page of the website. After that, click on Publish Website. Then click on Continue. Then click on Publish. OK, it will start publishing. Now it's done. Go back to the home page. Refresh the page. Once it's refreshed, then click on Blogs. Now you can see the navigation bar has been added to our blog page. Go back to the main page. Scroll down, and our website is looking good. You can create a website like that in Canva. That's the way to make a multi-page website in Canva. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.